This get is called round up to the next multiple of 5. What we have is a function that takes a integer as an argument, and we have to return the next multiple of 5 of the integer. As far as I can see it, we only have to divide by 5 and then multiply by 5. But yeah, let's start dividing by 5. Every time when we have a decimal number, we should round it up and then multiply by 5 as far as I can see it. When you have 0.2 and when you round it up to 1 and multiply by 5, you have 5. And when you round up minus 0.2, you get 0. Multiply by 5 is 0. When you have 1 on the other hand, you have a perfect rounded integer. That shouldn't be rounded up. You just have to multiply by 5. What we can do is to use the ceil function. For that, we have to import the math library. So import math. And then use math.ceil on our calculation, and that will make sure that it will be rounded up if there are any decimal numbers, and if there are not, nothing happens. Yeah, and as you can see, we only have to multiply by 5 now, and that will give us the next multiple of 5. Yeah, looks terrific. We only have to replace the print statement by a return statement, and that should do the trick. Attempt, and there we go. I hope this has been helpful and useful. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.